Ciao, ciao! Sveiki! Latvian conversations easy, just in 30 days. Yes, this is a 30-day challenge for you. Learn Latvian with our easy and fun language challenge. Whether you are just a beginner or want to improve your language skills, this is a challenge perfect for you. So, are you ready? What's your name? In Latvian language, it is Kā tevi sauc? Kā tevi sauc? Kā tevi sauc? And now you can be going around like a cock, asking everybody, Kā tevi sauc? Kā tevi sauc? Kā tevi sauc? And hopefully someone will tell you, Mani sauc Victoria. Day 2. How are you? In Latvian language, it is Kā tev iet? Kā tev iet? And you can say either Man iet labi, I'm good, Man iet slikti, I'm bad, or normāli, which means normal. Day 3. What's new? What's new? In Latvian language, it is Kas jauns? Kas jauns? And you could answer Man ir jauns darbs, which means I have a new job. Or for example, Es nopirku telefonu. I have bought phone. Day 4. Yes. Where are you going? In Latvian language, it is Kur tu ej? Kur tu ej? And you could say Es eju uz veikalu. I'm going to shop. Es eju uz darbu. Es eju uz darbu. I'm going to work. Or Es eju uz randiņu. I'm going to a date. Where are you from? In Latvian language, it is No kurienes tu esi? No kurienes tu esi? And you could say Es esmu no Rīgas. I am from Riga. Or Es esmu no Latvijas. I'm from Latvia. Where are you from? What is it? Kas tas ir? Kas tas ir? And you could say Tas ir tirgus. This is market. Tas ir tramvajs. This is a tram. Tas ir saldējums. This is nice ice cream. 7. What is the time? What's the time? In Latvian language, it is Cik ir pulkstenis? Cik ir pulkstenis? And you could say pulkstens ir 5. Now is 5 o'clock. Or pulkstens ir 2. It is 8. Directions. Turn right. Pagriezies pa labi. Turn left. Pagriezies pa kreisi. Go straight, ej taisni, and go back, ej atpakaļ. Come back, atgriezies. How much is it? In Latvian language, it is Cik tas maksā? Cik tas maksā? And you could say Tas maksā 1 eiro, which means it costs 1 euro. Or Tas maksā 5 eiro. This costs 5 euro. And you could say, wow, that's so expensive. What's your address? In Latvian language, it is Kāda ir tava adrese? Kāda ir tava adrese? And you could say Mana adrese ir Novembra iela 19. My address, it is Street Novembra iela 11. How far is the shop? Cik tālu ir veikals? Cik tālu ir veikals? And you could answer Netālu, not far, netālu. Tuvumā, close by, tuvumā, or 200 metri. 200 metri. Can you help me? Vai jūs varat man palīdzēt? Vai jūs varat man palīdzēt? And you could hear something like, Jā, protams, yes, of course, or Nē, nevaru, no, I can't. Day 13. Where is the toilet? Kur ir toalete? Kur ir toalete? When you need to go to pee-pee, huh? And the person could say to you, Toalete ir veikalā. Toalete ir veikalā, which means toilet is in Day 14. Please help me. Lūdzu, palīdziet man. Lūdzu, palīdziet man. Or you could just simply say, help. Palīgā. Day 15. Palīgā. Where is the bank? In Latvian language, it is Kur ir banka? Kur ir banka? And you could say Banka ir centrā, which means bank is in the city center. Have a nice day. In Latvian language, it is Lai tev laba diena. Lai tev laba diena. And you could say tev arī, tev arī. Day 17. Have a nice meal. In Latvian language it is labu apetīti. Labu apetīti if you are eating something tasty right now. And you could hear the answer paldies. Thank you. 18. I don't understand. Es nesaprotu. Es nesaprotu. If your boss is trying to push you and asking you if you understood something and you don't understand anything, you could say es neko nesaprotu. Neko nesaprotu. 19. Cheers when you're drinking nice beer and cocktail, huh? Priekā! Priekā! Or uz veselību. Uz veselību. 20. I don't know. I don't know. In Latvian language it is es nezinu. Es nezinu. 21. Please speak slowly. In Latvian language lūdzu runājiet lēnām. Lūdzu runājiet lēnām. 22. Do you speak English? In Latvian language is vai jūs runājat angliski? Vai jūs runājat angliski? And you can hear something around. Jā, mazliet. Yes, a bit. Jā, mazliet. Or nē, nerunāju. No, I don't. 23. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. In Latvian language is atvainojiet lūdzu. Atvainojiet lūdzu. 24. Christmas and New Year's greetings. Christmas and New Year greetings. Priecīgus Ziemassvētkus. Priecīgus Ziemassvētkus means Merry Christmas. And laimīgu jauno gadu. Laimīgo jauno gadu means Happy New Year. 25. Are you paying by card or cash? In Latvian language it is maksāsiet ar karti vai skaidrā. Maksāsiet ar karti vai skaidrā. And you could say ar karti, which means by card, or skaidrā naudā, which means 6. Where do you live? In Latvian language it is kur tu dzīvo, kur tu dzīvo, and you could say es dzīvoju Rīgā. I live in Riga. Or es dzīvoju pilī. I live in palace. I live in 27. When can we meet? In Latvian language it is kad mēs varam tikties. Kad mēs varam tikties. And you could say šodien vakarā. Today in the evening. Šodien vakarā. Or tiekamies brīvdienās. Tiekamies brīvdienās, which means let's meet on weekend. 28. Can you pass me the books? In Latvian language it is vai varat padot man grāmatas? Vai varat padot man grāmatas? And you could hear something like jā, lūdzu. Yes, please. Yes, please. Or nē, tās ir manas. No, those are mine. 29. Please give me 1 kg of tomatoes. In Latvian language it is lūdzu iedodiet man 1 kilogramu tomātu. Lūdzu iedodiet man 1 kilogramu tomātu. And you could come at home and eat all these tomatoes. Congratulations, you are on the challenge day 30. This challenge was an easy and hard, but you have made it. And let's learn the last phrases. Where is the bus stop? Kur ir autobusa pietura? Kur ir autobusa pietura? Where is the train stop? Kur ir vilciena pietura? Kur ir vilciena pietura? Please do send us in the comments and write what was easy, what was hard, and what did you actually learn and achieved within those 30 days. Well done!